So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So today topic we are going to see about like your love reading. So from August 15 to August end of the month, how it could be. For the first sign, we are going to see for the fire element like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. If at all your zodiac sign is an Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, you can look this video now. Okay, and guys, if at all you're looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. I hope you also be a part of this journey. So please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. Please give your support. Please give your support because your each and every subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and as well as your each and every subscription will definitely helps you improve this channel as well. So let's see, like, and at the end of the reading, we can check about your person feelings as well as from a channel of messages. So let's start the reading now for the Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. My dear fire sign. Okay, yeah, I have already get this card by the way, but anyway, it have been came again as well. So let's see, we get a lot of messages, and in the bottom of the deck we get an impersonator. Wants to be you, acts like, dresses like, looks like, copies you. Okay, somebody is being like a great fan here. Anyway, let's see. So the first card we get a child services. Same share, different day. Brocash. Careless travel. Just a minute, let me clarify one doubt. Okay, I got it. So I get the card like karmic friends. So two things is involved by the way when I see this karmic kind of karmic friends. So the first thing I'm noticing here that there may be some kind of an losses you may be gone through for some kind of a situation. Either it could be because I'm just channeling that either you may be face some kind of a losses on your career phase, or else either you may be face some kind of a losses on your relationship, because somebody is there who is just manipulating you, who is just trying to drag your things down. They are trying to drag your things down, and especially when it comes to the relationship as well, somebody is there, some karmic friendship is there, so who is just be acting that they are supporting to you, but they are not supporting. Behind the back they are not supporting. They have some kind of a groupism to ruin your things. Okay, that's what I can see here. So when it comes to this child services, and when it comes to this yeah, there is a lot of cards with the same meaning, like same share, different day, and as well as this broadcast. Everything is showing me that you right now the situation which you are dealing is a little bit be like very stuck situation, and as well as I can see that somebody is there to somebody is there to be manipulated as well, in either in your relationship or either in your career side. But when I look into this August month, from mid month to the end of the month, you should need to be careful whoever you are connecting with, even though they are be like your friends, they are be like your close circle, but still you should need to be aware like whom you are talking, whom you are trying to be like say about your secrets or whatever it could be. Okay, because I'm not seeing any kind of a good intention around you. People will try to manipulate, people will try to drag your things down, they will try to be like a karmic kind of a person. That's the reason I'm just saying you that from August 15 to August end of the month, you should need to be very very careful when it comes to talk with any kind of your secret. When you try to reveal any kind of a secret, like if at all because I can feel that if at all whenever we are in a frustration kind of a situation, we will try to reach out to the people, we will try to like seek help from others to come out from this dark energy. But here I can see that right now the situation has been like very tough and very hard for you. If at all you are still reach anybody to find out any kind of a solution. I can see that again those people will do some kind of a back bitching, okay, some kind of a BT, some kind of back bitching. That's what I can see here. So right now my advice is and my guidance is just please calm down, please calm down. From August 15 to August end of the month, just please calm down, go with the flow, do some kind of a meditation, practice by your own self, okay, rather than don't involve anybody. Yes, I know the situation has been like a little bit harder for you when it comes to your money also. I can see that there is not any kind of a good improvement is happening here as of now. There is some kind of a tricky situation is going on. Even though you have a money, sudden maybe so like some kind of a sudden incident is happening in your life, and you are wasting that money on that side, and at the end of the day you are not having any kind of a money. So there are some kind of a losses I can see here, okay, and you should be very careful when it comes to your friends or when it comes to your close circle, because they are be like because you are be very very careless in this kind of a situation. You are be like hoping that this person will be very helpful for you, this person will definitely find out some kind of a way, but you can see that, for example, if at all I just show this card, so your direction is on something you are not seeing, but you can see the groupism here, like a 2% in one direction. So that's the reason I'm just saying that you not looking into this person, you are trusting this person, and you are just again it is be like a copying here, like the way we have seen that somebody is be like copying your nature. So again I can see the copy here, like the two cards have the same kind of a color. So it's be like that, and as well as I can see there is a lot of eye is there, okay. So people is keeping their eye on you, people is watching on you, but it is in a bad way, but their intention is in a bad way, okay. So you should need to be take care, and as well as you should be more aware, okay. So again I can see that your direction is somehow different, and you are not looking about your looking about this kind of a person, like what their actual true intention was. So you should need to be think about this, okay. You should need to be keep an eye on them. Whoever you are dealing with, you should need to keep an eye on them. When it comes to your relationship status, I can again see that there is some kind of a manipulation game will be happen by your friend side or from other side. So whatever the situation is happening in your relationship, please keep calm down, please go with the flow energy, have some kind of a like a smooth kind of relation, like a healthy and smooth connection with your person, okay. Whatever the situation happened, just hold on with some kind of an smooth and healthy kind of a connection with your person, okay, rather than don't try to be exaggerate the things, okay. If at all you are feeling that something is be like a stuck, try to be get out from the places, okay, try to be get out from the places, just like the way we get the travel kind of a cards. So if at all some person is doing any kind of an influencing over you, try to be avoid that person for some days, okay. Try to avoid their things. And if at all your person is fighting with you, for example your loved one is fighting with you, your lover is fighting with you, just try to be keep calm down, and as well as set a boundaries, okay. Set some kind of unhealthy boundaries, rather than don't try to exaggerate the situation. Don't try to don't try to ask any kind of opinions from others. Don't try to ask any kind of a help from others, okay. There is some kind of a manipulation game I can see again and again in your reading. So I can see on both the side, like either in your career pathway and as well as your relationship. So let's see about your person current feelings towards you, like from August mid-month to August end of the month, so that we can get some kind of a clear idea, like what kind of a mindset your person will be have, okay. So yeah, this reading has become like an advice for me, because I hope so you have already gone through a lot of shit, but again this shits will be like repeating, so you guys need to be more careful. You always surprise me in nice ways, yes, again. So even though it has been like a tough time, you guys are handling it in a very good way. That's what I can see by this energy. You hold me like you never want to go, okay. Again, that is a very beautiful messages. So your person will be realized about your love, okay. So that I'm not seeing any kind of a blockages here, but still you should need to be more careful. Never involve any person, any other person. I see your face every time I close my eyes, okay. Again, that is a very beautiful messages from your person. I can't imagine a minute without you. So I can see that overall from this August mid-month to August end of the month, your person will be like very much emotional, and at the same time there are some kind of a chances that love is on the air kind of a stuff, okay. And as well as I can see that some kind of a renewal will be possible when it comes to your relationship. There is a lot of emotions from your person, and there is a lot of there is some kind of a chances to meet your person in real. Either they may be call you or text you to meet them in a real, like a dinner kind of an like having any dinner, so having any lunch or dinner with your person. So that energy I can see here. There is some kind of a chances like a celebration, either your person's birthday or your birthday may be fall on this month. In cases if it is be like your birthday is falling on in this August month, so I hope that there may be some kind of a chances to have a good memories with your person, a good celebration and good memories with your person. And there is some kind of a chances that you will be get some kind of a proposal from your person, or else situation will be go improve here. Okay, so anyway, that is a very good news. Even though some people are around you or creating some kind of an problems over here, but still your person knows everything and your person is not blaming you here. So that's the reason I can say you that all I can see for the fire element from this August month to August another month, the relationship status is be like very very good. Your person will be like very emotional and very helpful towards you and very supportive towards you. So one messages I want to say again and again here is like deal with your own whatever the thing is, deal with your own self, and as well as in any kind of a love kind of a situation, have a heart to heart conversation with your person rather than never involve any kind of a person, and it will definitely ruins and collapse this beautiful relationship. Okay, so what if at all your person wants to meet you, go alone and meet them. Never involve any kind of friends or something, even though you have any kind of a birthday, even though you have any kind of a celebration in your ways. Involve only you and your person, that's it. Never allow anybody, because I'm not saying that there is a lot of evil eyes is there, so they will definitely ruin the things. Okay, so again I can see a very beautiful energy from your person's side. Have a good life, have a healthy boundaries, have a lovable day with your person. Okay, so it is really turns up the channel messages. When I see that, it really turns up very good messages, and your person have a very beautiful energy over you. I can feel it. Okay, so again the beautiful reconciliation, again the beautiful memories are coming on your way. So these are the energies I can see from your person. And so guys, I hope it will be resonated with you, and in the next reading we can see about your person current feelings and as well as their channel or messages in the next reading. Okay, so yeah, I hope it could be resonated with you. I hope it could bring some kind of a clarity towards you, and I have given the better guidance as well. So guys, like if at all you like my reading, if at all it is resonated with you, please do like, share and subscribe, and as well as so stay tuned for the next reading as well. If at all you guys need any kind of a personal reading, you can do reach out either on my WhatsApp or also on my Instagram. So both the details have been given in the pinned comment. You can check with that. And yeah, so guys, again and again I want to repeat the same thing. If at all your friends and family members may love the tarot reading, please do recommend channel to them. And as well as if at all you're looking at the channel for the very first time, I'm welcoming you all to my channel. So I hope you also be a part of this journey. So please do like, share and subscribe. Please give your support, because each and every person's support will definitely motivates me a lot, and it will definitely helps to improve this channel as well. So see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all, take care, bye bye.